Hello, this is MochiGirl here, and I will be showing you how to make some glitter slime. Okay, so what you'll need is some glitter of your choice. Fine glitter works better. Some contact solution, some baking soda, or instead of contact solution and baking soda, you can always do borax solution, or whatever you want to do to combine the slime. Borax solution is just borax and water heated up. So if you don't have these, you can, You might want food coloring. I'm not going to use it, but you can use food coloring. And you'll need some clear glue, which looks way cooler to me anyways. So yeah, let's get started. Oh, and a spoon in a bowl, of course. So let's get started. I'm going to get some glue. I'm twisting off the cap. So, step, step, step. I don't have to be that specific, do I? So you'll need about, well, as much glue for the slime, as much slime you want to make. It kind of depends how much slime you're planning to make, how much glue you use. Just put in as much glue as you want slime. Yeah. So here it is. Next, what I'm going to put in is, what you put in is whatever glitter is your choice. So, let's see. Tap, tap. So about like that much or so. So let's see. Next, we're gonna mix it up. So it'll look like this. It'll end up looking a lot like this when it's done, I'm pretty sure. So, yeah. Next, what you put in is you put in some, actually, no, not baking soda, sorry, I'm wrong. Some contact solution. Woo! Okay. So you need like just a couple drops. And just mix it in. It won't do anything right now, but it will when you put in the baking soda. I don't think it actually matters what order you do it in. I think it just mixes together better though if you use the other thing. So just put in some baking soda. I don't think it matters that much the amount. Just don't put in a lot of everything at once. Oh my gosh. Okay. It kept making like a bubble right there. It was kind of funny. We'll do it again. It's like, see how it keeps trying to form a bubble right there? You might have seen that earlier. Yeah. So just mix it together. It's all in nicely. Let's take that out. Okay. Then you're just gonna put in more until you like the consistency. You can always skip ahead or pause the video if you need more time. Yeah. Here it is. It's so shiny and pretty, right? Okay, so just mix it up. I think I need some more baking soda though. It may seem like it makes it dry, but it really doesn't. Yeah. So you can see how it's starting to pull away, kind of. That's good. If it's pulling away from the edges, that's good. It's like something you need to know when you're making slime. It's good if it pulls away. So it'll probably be really sticky still. You just have to keep adding until you get a good consistency that you like. Like, it'll probably be sticky though if you don't add enough of anything. Again, you can use borax solution instead. It's a little faster, I think. I think it's much faster. But yeah, sometimes you have to be careful with that too though. But I feel like I just like using this more. I don't know why. I really just do. So it'll start getting like stiff like this. And it's actually really hard to mix right now. And that's how you know you should start you should start kneading it a little bit inside the bowl. Because it's really messy. So don't do it outside of the bowl, guys. So just do this. And then you should after you do that, you should probably put in a little bit more of the things you are using for the base that get it all together. So, about that. Let's mix it. If you want to see me mixing, that's why I'm tilting the bowl. Because my camera isn't very good at doing its job. Not the best. I'm just using the camera on my tablet. But still, it's fun. Okay. So here it is. It's beauteous. But we do need a little bit more. So I'm going to just pause this video while I get the right amount. But for you, it'll only be a second, so yeah. Okay, so I'm back, and I did put a little more glitter in it. You might not be able to tell, and I got it to a nice consistency. Anyways, I feel like it's very nice. So here it is. Move the camera. It's super glittery. So if you like glitter, you're like this. Sorry about the movement. Here it is. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and remember that if you subscribe or watch my videos, the more I can get if you like my videos, so I can make more. Of course, even though that sounds really complicated, but yeah. So see you next time on my channel. Bye!